If you want to make an extra $40,000 this year, guys, I'm here to teach you one of the secrets that is not talked about anywhere on YouTube, guys. This is called swing trading. And this is what everybody who has a full-time job or a full-time school as a student, you're a full-time student because you go to school. This is what we do. It's called swing trading, guys. Now, let me show you how easy this is. And the secret is we are going to be on the 3-hour time chart, guys. Check this out. So what you want to do is you want to sign up for tradingview.com. You get this for free. The charting platform is for free, guys. You add this indicator right here. And the name of the indicator is called the Dominator, guys. Okay. The Dominator is going to tell you when to buy and when to sell. So I'm going to leave you a link below to show you where you guys can get the Dominator for free. Sign up, get it today. Now let's get right into this. Okay. So you guys can see how clear cut these signals are on the buy and sell for NVIDIA. And what I'm going to do is show you that you don't have to sit in front of the computer. All you need to do is learn how to add an alert so that you can get a signal to your iPhone. That's right. Or your Android. You'll get a text message that tells you go buy NVIDIA. Now, let's take a look and focus just on the buy signals. Okay, we're going to look at when they popped up, how often are they popping up, and how much are they worth. So let's take a look at this. So if we look at the first buy signal, guys, we're going to see that we had a nice run up on NVIDIA for about $12. Now, if you come to TradingView, you start learning how to use these tools. I'm going to show you one of the coolest tools they have. It's under the measurer, and you go down and click on dates and price range. Okay. And now I am going to click on where the signal came on, and I'm going to drag it over a little bit to the high point of the trade. So this was a $12 trade. Okay. We're going to go to the next signal, guys, and we're going to take it right from the buy, and we're going to edit this, and we're going to go to the highest point so you can see the potential. So that was a 16.52 move. Now the next buy signal gave us a nice $14.93. I'm sorry, $14.93, guys. I'm getting excited. Want to make money. Okay, and the latest one, which is the one we are on, guys. Okay, no sell signal here. So I'm just going to move this over a little bit, and you can see this was a $21 move so far. So currently, NVIDIA is still on a bull run. So now this happened, guys. Okay, all these three moves, and I'm not even talking about shorting. I don't want you to short the market. Okay, I want you to get good at buying and staying bullish. Check out the date range. So the first signal came on here, and NVIDIA, this last signal, okay, it's been 49 days. So if we come up to the latest candle, you can see that it's been 58 days, okay, including weekends. So now we have a nice chart that tells us in the last 2 months we've had, well, let's just add this up, make it nice and easy. So this is about $28.50, and the last two moves, bullish moves, have been just about $34, maybe $35. Okay, what would that do to your options trading? Or even if you bought shares, 100 shares times 12, that's right, you made 1,200, you made 1,700 there, and you made 1,500, and you would have made 2,100. But with options trading, you would have made a lot more. Now, one of the things I'm going to suggest is when you have your chart just like this, you're going to take your date range and the first move that happened. Okay, we already have this information here. but I'm going to draw it out for you anyways. Okay. So I want this to stand out, and you can see this move took 6 days, 18 hours, just about 7 days. Okay. And then now this signal here took us 4 days and 18 hours. I'll put the flag up there. Next move took us, and here we go. It took just about 8 days, 18 hours. So that's a 9-day move. And this one here, which is my favorite, this is the one I'm currently in. This took us 9 days and then 3 hours so far. So let's say you bought options and you bought a 7-day expiration. It covers you for this one. It covers you for this one. This one you get out and you miss out on a little bit at the end. This one you do the same thing. You get out at 7 days, but you still made a lot of money. Well, how much money could I have made, Coach? I'm glad you asked that question. Now, in my current position, guys, I am currently up $14,000. Okay. Now, I didn't buy one contract. I buy more than one contract. Why? Because I have experience with this indicator, guys, and I bought it to expire April 17th. Usually I buy 14 days. Sometimes I'll buy 30 days. This time I bought a couple of months. Why is that, Coach? And I'm going to tell you because I'm glad you're asking. I think this time NVIDIA is going to go and make a run for $170. Okay, that is right. I said it, guys. NVIDIA will make a run for $170. Okay. There is a lot of bullish activity going on in the background, in the back scenes, and people are starting to come back into NVIDIA. NVIDIA has passed the middle of this gap, which would tell us we already beat Fibonacci, guys. Okay. Now, imagine you will get to this point one day as long as you continue to use this method. Remember, we are on the 3-hour time frame. Now, the number one challenge I'm always going to give you guys is come back and test it. Okay. Let's go back a couple of months and see, does this 3-hour time frame work? And the answer is going to be hell yes. Okay. This is our first move here. You can see 10 days, $20 for NVIDIA. Okay. Second buy sign, we went up $10.50. That took 5 days. Next 3-hour signal, guys, we went up $13 and it took 9 bars, but it took 3 days. So we have 10 days, 5 days, 3 days. And even in a downtrend, look at this. Even in a downtrend, we are doing pretty good on NVIDIA. Now, that was a $10 pullback because we're actually headed down on that wave. And the next one gave us a nice trade of $9.14. Guys, we have 20, 10, 13, 10, 9. It doesn't get any better than this, okay? Look at this. You're going to get this indicator for free. I'm telling you. I'm going to leave you guys a link. You get this indicator and just look at those green candles. I mean, if you are bearish, you will make money on the way down as well. And I'll just keep going over and over. You guys can see that there is a repeatable method here. This is a repeatable method. You're able to continue to monetize all year long, and you don't have to stay in front of the computer because you're working full time. You don't have time for that. So this is super, super simple. You get the signal, you go buy your option for 7 days, and you continue to leave your alerts on so it can tell you if we have reached the price target that is your goal. Now, if you think this is helping you guys, okay, the way this works is if you hit subscribe, it helps me bring you more videos. So hit the subscribe button, hit the thumbs up, And don't forget the little bell, guys, so you get the next video as soon as it comes up. Okay, so now we have NVIDIA, and the question I always get, Coach, does this work with other stocks? Absolutely. Let's check it out. Okay, so we have Apple on the 3 hour, and this is simple. You already know what I'm going to do. I'm going to go ahead and just go backwards, and I'm going to measure off of this signal on the 3 hour. That was a $17 move. This signal gave us, let me move this over. It's a 4-day run, $23. And now this is a nice one here, and these do happen. Nice run for $29, guys. Okay, you can see that it continues to go up. Okay, and the signals are there on the 3 hour, guys. You can't go wrong. You need to understand that swing trading is not hard. All you need to do is have an easy system, and we can go back and look at some of the other moves that Apple has done, guys. So let's take a look at this. I'm going to stretch this out so it makes sense with the price range. Okay, let's look at this buy signal. This one was pretty quick from what it looks like. $5 move up 1 day. Imagine you get a text message. You're already up $5. You might want to sell that. Okay, especially because you took my courses, guys. Okay, this was a $3 move there. I will take that every single day times 10 options. Boom. And this was a nice move for $14. That was the peak of the move. And the last buy signal on the screen, guys, check it out. We do have a $16 move. And if I do once more our date range, so let's look at this buy signal, and I want to look at the 4 buy signals. Okay, let's count it by 4. Again, 50 days, guys, less than 2 months. Okay, and now we can even add the next few that we have on the screen, and I will add that for you. So we have 50 days on Apple, and then now we have 89 days on this gigantic bull run. Let's make it till Friday, 92 days. So this is a 3-month deal. Imagine the money you could have made. Imagine the money you can make on the way down, guys. Okay, this is how you swing. Okay, again, I'm going to leave you a link below, guys. NVIDIA and Apple are 2 of the stocks you need to be looking at. Okay, and I want to remind you, these 2 stocks have what we call a repeatable system, which means they're going to continue to do the same thing. As they go up, they'll come down, but they'll go back up again. Okay. Second, don't forget the Dominator, guys. You need to click on the link below. You will love this indicator, guys. You get it for free. Can't go wrong. You're going to make money. Leave me a comment below and tell me how you're not going to make money on this, guys. This is swing trading. This is the secret that is kept from everybody. It's a 3-hour time frame. Check it out. And same thing for Apple, guys. I am currently holding a position that I believe Apple is going to make a run for that 220 target. Okay. If it doesn't, that's fine. I paid a little extra for these calls, but again, I have experience with this system, and I have experience with the swing trading, guys. Okay, 5 position. This is how much I'm up. I am not worried about anything right now, especially that I bought time, and time does what? It lets my option contracts sleep very well, calmly overnight. They don't have to worry about theta. They don't have to worry about IV or gamma hurting them, guys. Okay, don't forget, this system works. Okay, ask me questions. Hit me up in the comments. As a matter of fact, if you have other methods you're using, I would challenge you to test the 3-hour and see if you can recognize patterns that will give you profits. Okay, remember, this channel gets a lot of support when you guys click on those links, so don't forget. Also, I will be bringing you a video on some of the top stocks that I've just recognized. I have alerts on them. I'm going to bring you videos so you understand the entries and the exits for these 2025 trades. Don't forget, guys, this is easy. See you on the next video.